And a very good day, everybody. It is indeed Saturday, November 15th, 2025, 7:30 a.m. Eastern Canadian Time. And the wait is over. We are here on the Deux-Montagnes branch of the REM. And this is the open house weekend. And I'm here at a special event here in the morning before the open house begins. Here at the Édouard-Montpetit Metro Station. And we're going to be going for... It's a special ride for, I guess you could say, YouTubers and documentarians, if you want to call us that, the press and everything. So let's go in and have a great morning. So there's the metro entrance, eh?
Yeah, that's the tunnel.
Le quai qu'on prend, c'est le quai 1. Vous allez prendre comme des œuvres de Manuel Mathieu, des fresques.
Est-ce qu'il y a des autres sections déjà installées ou non?
Pas toutes. Il y en a plusieurs autres qui vont s'ajouter. On descend.
Ok, tout le monde va.
That's for the media.
On sortait mon groupe de gagnants du concours ici. J'ai pas la réponse à celle-là. Mais rentrer, on dépêche.
Direction A4 Deux-Montagnes. Prochaine station Canora.
Right, spell it Canora. In English, Canora. Yeah, Canora. So unique.
La vitesse de
Station Canora. Les portes s'ouvriront sur le côté droit.
Tout le monde reste dans le REM.
Direction A4. Deux-Montagnes. Prochaine station, Ville de Mont-Royal.
Je descends avec vous à Sunnybrooke, moi je vais rester là.
Considering the station distance here is like less than a kilometer.
Station, Ville de Mont-Royal.
Différentes stations, il y a deux possibles. Il y en a qui vont monter sur la
During the summer here, Montreal.
Les portes s'ouvriront sur le côté droit.
Yeah, it's a great place for this because it's like a big straight stretch and it's very walkable. So. As long as you take pictures on the side. Yeah, you guys, or before they reopened the pedestrian bridge. Yeah, the pedestrian bridge. Yeah, it's closed for a year almost. You know. Now we're going to see Cordeliers. That's going to be fun. Before the Mascouche line reopens. Nice beautiful commuter rail line.
Direction A4. Deux-Montagnes. Prochaine station, Côte de Liesse.
Pour le troisième quai, à côté de Liesse.
Station,
Le troisième pied, en fait.
Côte de Liesse.
Pour le train de banlieue, quand c'est est-ce qu'il y a
Le train de banlieue est à droite. Le troisième quai de la station est à gauche. Le quai, la correspondance avec la ligne Mascouche n'est pas,
Les portes
prête pour
s'ouvriront
une
sur le
service,
côté
elle est prête dans
droit.
quelques semaines.
Mais une fois qu'il sera ouvert, est-ce qu'il y aura un
Oui.
train extra qui va attendre sur le troisième quai?
C'est ça, le troisième quai il sert à absorber l'achalandage.
Ok, fait que c'est toujours prévu.
C'est ça, c'est la même chose qu'à Brossard. S'il y a un achalandage supplémentaire, le troisième quai, à cause de Liesse, à Brossard, sert à injecter des trains sur la ligne s'il y a trop de
Fait que si jamais c'est possible de le
C'est
faire.
ça, c'est
Ok.
toujours possible.
Parfait.
C'est le même principe, évidemment, vu qu'on est à côte de Liesse, le surplus d'achalandage serait directement lié au fait que le train de la ligne
Fait que c'est possible de timer pour les
C'est ça.
arrivées du train.
Voilà. Mais c'est en besoin.
En
C'est
besoin,
pas,
ouais.
c'est pas un quai qui est utilisé fréquemment. Au même titre que si vous êtes allé à Brossard, vous ne voyez pas souvent
Ouais,
des
c'est
trains
très
passer
rare.
là.
A4.
Mais c'est un train qui
Deux-Montagnes.
c'est venir en renfort aussi.
Prochaine
C'est ça.
station, Montpellier.
Ils ont pas ça à Brossard non.
Brossard, il y a une troisième voie aussi, un troisième quai. C'est la même chose.
I heard that the West Island are waiting for most of Island for a March.
Yeah, they're-
Yesterday the news conference, I think, maybe for March.
Station,
But it does make sense because they
Montpellier.
right after.
Well, I think I'm pretty confident the STM is redoing their bus network for March. Spring. Well,
March is yeah.
March is about as late as you can get in spring.
But
les
technically,
portes s'ouvriront sur le côté
That's
droit.
true, you're right. No, you're right. Could be April, May, even June. But I mean, if testing goes well, which I hope it does.
some nooks and crannies. Yeah, if you're not confident enough to open the bank today for the West Island. AAO, I call it. Yeah, it's right now. the frequencies right now. Like the frequency right now. Actually, the frequencies used to be like.
Direction
Yes, it used to be 345, now it's 5-ish.
Deux-Montagnes.
7 and then 5.
Yeah, it's 10 now.
Prochaine
Until
station,
they all open.
Du Ruisseau.
Because they added more trains, but they're more distributed. They didn't add all the trains they had reserved for the following lines. They're more split up across the large number of stations. But I mean, considering they're running parallel buses until April in some cases, and the level, like the charge should be distributed.
Is it a little bit sunny?
Yeah, we're the same.
But not yet full on.
I don't know. They said they're from earlier, but I guess they're the same.
Yeah, probably missing the time.
Yeah, probably. I mean, it takes a little while to.
Gotta wait for the frequency of the trains. They're not frequented on one station.
The station's pretty crazy. This station actually, I don't know why, there's no like the shuttle buses that run. They're like a 15-20 minute walk from here.
Du Ruisseau.
It's not the best. It's not super well planned at all. There's no buses that serve the station.
Montpellier is it part of the Ville Saint-Laurent area?
Yeah, this is all it's up until what?
Les portes s'ouvriront sur le côté droit.
You can even see the platforms getting wider and wider as we're approaching South Coast. Yeah, they're made for constantly to be. I'm curious to see about that. I don't know, a side platform station there doesn't seem audible, but yeah.
Direction A4 Deux-Montagnes.
During the summer,
Prochaine
like, take
station,
pictures around the just before the Highway 13.
Yeah, the junction.
The junction was great. That's awesome.
The junction is amazing.
It's
Yeah,
amazing.
It's a shame it's so hard to get to. It's impossible to access.
Yeah, no,
I've been way through the park.
yeah. So the junction, what I did is that there's an overpass. You go over. See that overpass is really dangerous. The cars like running at 100 kilometers. Like,
Yeah, there's a sidewalk next to
the
you.
sidewalk, and then the car that crashes on you.
Yeah, you're done.
There's no guardrails. Let's see.
It's a really bad area. We're going to see the Western Junction soon too.
Yeah, because we're going this
After, right after West Island, we're going to see the Western Junction.
So we're going to go to Sunnybrooke, and then we'll come back. We will not go to Gatineau.
Does that mean we have to get up?
Yeah, it's Sunnybrooke.
Yeah, Sunnybrooke, and then we
We took a bit too long getting ready at.
When do you think they're turning this car around?
No, they're going to make us get off and
Yeah.
take off next one. Trains are running as if they're
normal.
like how they're going to be running in an hour.
Station
Yeah, exactly.
Poitras.
You can see people lining up already.
We get priority.
Yeah, we get to stay
Les
inside.
portes
So we
s'ouvriront
don't
sur
have
le
to
côté
rely.
No,
droit.
I'm saying later. I'm in Deux-Montagnes. I'm in Deux-Montagnes Grand Lake. That's my area.
We're going back to Édouard-Montpetit, and there we get to stay inside, so you get to reboard wherever.
Except my car here.
My
car is
Édouard-Montpetit.
Édouard-Montpetit.
Me too. I'm in my car. Édouard-Montpetit. That's right. You're from Deux-Montagnes.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So I'm wondering if I can go to Deux-Montagnes, do my stuff, come back,
Yeah, why not?
and then drive back. Just extend
It's a
my
bit of
parking.
a kind of a long ride to Sunnybrooke from here.
Yeah.
It's a 6-minute ride.
Direction
Yeah, this part.
A4
This is the part where you
Deux-Montagnes.
fast.
Yeah.
And then change.
Prochaine
This is
station
where it would go dark for a while. Because it was,
Yeah, I remember the electricity would black out. I remember that.
there was an actual stop. If you actually stopped in that time, there you could be in trouble.
Oh, because
It was
the
end of
catenary wasn't in contact for a second.
It was the end of the line. At the end of it, if there was a power failure, it was either on this side or on that side.
I see.
It was actually two completely different sides.
Interesting.
This is the area it's supposed to go about 100 kilometers.
Yeah, well, across the junction we're going to go at 100.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're not. Okay,
You're going to see the Western Junction. Like it's designed for high capacity, so trains keep their speed as they shift towards the West Island or here.
There's a junction here, right?
You're going to see it's crazy. There's a flyover
Oh, yeah?
ahead of you. It's a contract flyover. The only rapid transit 4-track area in Montreal.
Is it going to be like when you get on one, it'll either go straight or...
Exactly. You'll see trains are going upside down. We're going to switch tracks into a middle track and take the flyover right ahead of us.
Oh, I see, okay.
Okay, that was nice.
That middle track is for West Island bound trains, airport bound trains.
During the summer, some people take photos and videos of the train from the sun. You know this.
Yeah, from both
track on
ends.
the left-hand side. There's a park.
On Henry Barassa, if you go, you're able to access it.
Yes, that's the one.
Yes, you see, that's the third track is for trains coming back from outside of.
Yeah.
The tail end one is for trains coming back from Deux-Montagnes.
Yeah.
And it's crazy.
This is an emergency, right?
Yeah, for evacuation. And now we're in a 4-track area.
4 tracks. Amazing to see.
I know it's crazy to see 4 tracks.
4 tracks like that.
Feels like you're in New York City.
Yeah.
This used to be one track.
Yeah, because well, 2 tracks for one of them going into the atmosphere. One electrified track.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the Ottawa 13 overpass.
Yeah, I took some of that.
It's incredibly ridiculous.
Yeah, I quite like it. The important.
Yeah, the
there, and
important
then
one, yeah.
walk on the
Yeah.
side of dangerous routes. That's to go to West.
Weston Airport,
Yeah, the airport.
And there, the junction between the West Island Airport is an at-grade junction, so it's lower capacity, but there's no need for as high capacity as this there.
Not quite like eating a train in a snack. When those high-speed trains, you almost feel it.
What's the speed on way to
It's probably going about like
105, I think it's not.
you get 100 to 200.
get the speed of this? It's 4, speed limit 96.
Okay, that's not bad.
I'll take a screenshot of this.
Yeah, just to have it.
This is not top speed.
People say that.
No, we're not at top speed here. I'm guessing because we're in a curve and approaching the station.
So we're getting off here.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
the highest, so the peak speed was 96, around 96 kilometers.
Est-ce que vous avez toutes vos choses? On arrive à la station, on va
Station.
on ne va pas perdre de gens, on descend. On descend puis on revient. Donc si on devait
All right, thanks for watching, everybody. Remember, hit the like button, subscribe, turn on your notification bells. That was a cool ride.
S'ouvriront sur le côté droit.
More videos to come.
This is the first like elevate station we've seen.